violins, can you go rest position for a minute? Violas, let's do measure 3. So you're starting with an E, playing your E. E is first finger on D, we're on measure 3.
Oh, first.
First finger on D. Good, now you have an A. So you just rock your one over. Now you're going to have an F. Can you play it? It's going to be on your C string. Uh-huh. Good. Wait, use your third finger. Good. Okay, so let's put those 3 notes together. So from your E, got your E down? E, A, and F. Ready? Go. Yes. Now, here comes the flat. A flat. Yes. You remember. We talked about that. Uh-huh. And then open G. And then you finish with a C. There we go. That's the hard part. That needs some practice. Okay, let's try again. 4 bars. 1, 2, oh, not ready? Playing position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, can we go on?
Yeah.
Second line. Here we go. 1, 2, second line. Violins got that before violas. Okay, let's do that second line again. Steady. 1, 2, second line.